here on Alta's Supreme lift. And now, well, it replaced both the old Cecret Bunny Hill lift and the old Supreme lift, which means this area right now, which used to be green, is no longer lappable as beginner terrain. The two chairs were at a different angle, and as a result, Alta had to be creative when replacing the chairlift, and as a result, we get this interesting contraption, which in lieu of an angle station, we just have the chairlift switch directions by about 5 to 10 degrees. So, I mean, that was pretty cool to go on. Don't you agree, Nicole?
That was bumpy.
Pretty cool. So, there you have it. That's Alta Supreme lift. We got a bit more left to go, but that's the unique part.